Hello guys, for the past few days we've been checking out how we can use the trend milker trading indicator to trade boom and crash successfully, and a lot of testimonies have been coming up from that. Okay, I'm really happy that so many newbies are able to take advantage of this opportunity and they've been able to have a better understanding about this trading tool, and of course they've been using it to trade successfully, which is one beautiful thing I love about this particular training session. Okay, so before we go further on this, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. You can also join the Telegram channel so that we can have some trading session together, okay, while on Telegram channel. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, which is focusing more on how we can trade successfully using the 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, today we will be looking at 5-minute time frame, and we will be looking at the resistance and the support zone. Also, we will also be considering the trend. Okay, all these are very important. I'm actually taking my time to explain all this to you so that you will understand how it works. Okay, so that you will understand how it works. Tomorrow we'll be looking at the 2-minute trading strategy in order to trade successfully. This is basically meant for the newbies, okay, so that they will be able to milk the market within this 2-minute period. Okay, so today we're looking at the 5-minute strategy. Okay, the first thing you need to take note of is the trend of the market. Okay, that is always important when you are trading. You should know the best trend to trade each of these assets for. Boom, if you are not trading the spikes, then definitely it is when the market is on downtrend. If you are trading the spikes, it is when the market is on uptrend. Okay, for crash, if you are not trading the spikes, it is when the market is on uptrend. But if you are trading the spikes, it is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so all these are very important. When you know all these, then you know the exact time to trade whatever assets you want to trade, okay, depending on the results you're trying to achieve. Okay, so that's the first set of things which you need to take note of. Okay, and of course you need to know when to come into the market. Okay, we have the resistance zone, then we also have the support zone. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, so if you are selling, you sell from the resistance zone downward. Okay, if you are buying, you buy from the support zone upward. Okay, so that is very important. Once you know all this, then you are good to go. Okay, so quickly, having known all that, the next thing we need to do is, okay, already let's say this is boom 1000 and we are not trading the spikes, so definitely around here from this session to this session we won't be trading, because we don't want to trade the spiky parts. We just want to sell. Okay, so the spiky part on boom is when the market is on uptrend, because we will be buying. Okay, so we stay away from the market around here. Okay, so when should we come into the market? When the market has got into the resistance zone. Okay, of course at the top here is where the major resistance zone is. Okay, so when the market gets to this level, all we need to do is just to wait a bit, because sometimes it will pull down, it will pull back and it's going to go back and break out from that resistance zone, and once it breaks out from the resistance zone, it will keep on buying. Okay, it will keep on buying. All these are very important. It does not mean the indicator you are using at that particular time is not working. It does not mean there is market manipulation around there. Okay, it doesn't mean that. Okay, it only means that the forces behind the buy trend was stronger than the resistance that is around there, so it broke out. It forced it to break out from there. Okay, so at that stage it will keep on buying till it gets to the next resistance zone. Okay, it doesn't mean the trading tool you are using at that point has failed you. Of course, even if you are not using any indicator at all or any trading tools at all, you already know and you are very good with your TA, you know that that is a resistance zone, but anything can still happen around there. So once it breaks out, then definitely it will keep on buying till the next resistance zone. It is normal. Okay guys, it is normal. That was what happened around here. Here should be a major resistance zone and it broke out. Okay, you can see it broke out and it kept on going up and up till it got here. It was after getting here that it started coming back because it couldn't break out from this particular resistance zone. It broke out from two resistance zones. This was the first one, then the second one around here broke out from there again, and of course got to this, was unable to break out from there, so it came down. You can see that guys, you can see that. So that is why it is important you wait a bit to see what will happen within the market. Of course, it is possible for us to have a little pullback. After that pullback, it can try it out again, and sometimes it will range within that period. Okay, you see it going up and down, up and down, up and down within that period for a few period of time, and after that it will now decide where the market is going, if it is going to break out above the resistance zone or probably it breaks out below the support zone, because within the ranging period it will have created a support zone around there. Okay, so once it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it has, I mean, it will be going into a full downtrend. Okay, and in other situation we usually have a situation like this where it will get to the resistance zone and it won't even push it further, and it will just go straight into downtrend, just like what happened around here. Okay, you can see it came into downtrend, and that is why this indicator will not even ask you to start selling immediately it get to the resistance zone. So you can see it gave it some time, popped out the arrow, and of course came up with a flag. Okay, with the red flag, which shows that the market is on downtrend. So around here you can easily come in around here and start selling. Okay, you can start selling. Okay, another question that usually come up is, when should I close my account? I mean, when should I close my order? Okay, where should I set my take profit? Okay, you can use any method to close your order or to set your take profit. Okay, it now depends on you, on your trading capital, and how you have how much confidence you have within the market. Okay, if you don't have much confidence, I won't advise you to stay in the market for a very long time, because there will always be a pullback in between. Okay, so I always target the next support zone. Okay, in this situation here is a major, okay, if you are looking for a major support zone, here is a major support zone. Okay, so I won't advise you to stay till this. You can look out for some minor support zone. Here is one, so you can stay just before the support zone and close your trade. Then you analyze the market again. Of course, you are still in downtrend, then you can come in again and sell for a few moments again, and keep on doing that till the trend comes to an end. Okay, you can also use the arrow to decide the direction of the market. Okay, once you come in around here, you come in just after you close your order. Once you have a pullback like this, a major pullback like this, you can close your order and use it to open another order at that point. Or probably when you have an arrow popping out like this, then definitely you close your order at that point. Okay, so all these are very, very important in order for you to make successful trading journey. Okay, so I believe you've learned a lot today. The first thing you should look out for is the trend. Okay, you should know the exact trend to trade the asset you want to trade, so that you can achieve the exact goal you want to achieve. Then you consider your support and resistance zone. Then you check out where your entry point should come in and where your exit point should be. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Your entry and your exit points depends on how you want to go with it. You can do it gradually till you can have enough confidence in the market so that you can go for a very long time. Okay, so that is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God